Hi, welcome back. How to create purchase requisition and what are all the basic advantages in Sometimes it is useful centrally for SD consultants as well. Okay, let's try to check. Anyhow, we're already having an integration in third party for automatic purchase creation. So that I have already uploaded one free course in Udemy. If you want, you can able to learn that. It has a sample of my explanation. Apart from that, let's see manually how we can able to create this purchase requisition. Okay, so PR, if you are not at subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe, and you can comment and you can share this video. It is always useful. Okay, first transaction ME51 create purchase requisition, ME52 for change, ME53 for display. Okay, if you'd like to display the list, ME5A, ME5Z for requisition for project, and ME5K for requisition by account assignment. Okay, we have in SD side also we have account assignments, right? Account assignment, right? In the similar way, you can able to get the account assignment here. So what is the basic advantage? We'll try to see that. Okay, with this one, let's try to create this one. Let's come to this path. This is transactional data purchase side. What is the basic importance for this? Actually, so when we talk about, like, if you see our outbound side, so inquiry has don't have much importance, but this purchase requisition is, like, internal order which should be created, so to fulfill the organization requirements. Why PR will be created into purchase order? Because certain a time, like, the requirements directly fulfilled by your vendor, so that PR will be converted into purchase order. You already aware of this fact, like, we have two processes with MMSD integration. One is, like, third party sales, and second one is individual purchase order. Okay, and we have something called subcontracting order. A lot of things are there. So let's try to check purchase requisition here. Okay, fine. Where exactly we have to go now? That's the question. Okay, so let's go to the material management, purchasing. You can see this is the requisition. This is the initial process of your P2P cycle, purchase to pay cycle. Okay, let's go ME51. Let's try to check a few details, minimum details. We should have to understand this. Sometimes it is required in real time. We're supposed to create this one on our own because time is very limited. Like, we just at least know cross module transactional data creation. Okay, so it depends on the project. You need not learn sometimes out of your 15 years experience. You need not do all these things. It's the scope always, like, where you can able to explore the things actually. So let's try to take. So purchase requisition, what is the basic advantages at side basically? So one thing is that, okay, here it is coming. So one thing is that you cannot able to generate the duplicate requirements until unless if you don't have same vendor. Suppose if purchase requisition initial internal requirements are there source, like, so for your vendor certain good you are giving for painting, or again certain good you are giving for cleaning actually for vendor. So if you don't have tracking number, you will give double time. So duplicate orders, you can avoid duplicate orders by implementing purchase requisition. And second thing is that it will be useful for auditing purposes. So the same requisition, it will be converted into multiple purchase orders. Then obviously with partial POs, and then there should be one tracking number you should require. So, like, one day 2 day it is fine, like, sometimes, like, in years and years, so it is very difficult to track actually. Okay, so audit, it can help you. And second thing is that avoid duplicate orders. And third is, it is crisp and clear, advantage before creating purchase order. Okay, what is the link actually? So it will behave like, legal document sometimes, not actual legal document, like a how, not like inquiry you can minimize like this at the inbound side, but it has its own advantage. Okay, so it will try to help for legal things actually. Now let's try to do something. See, this is source determination. It can be from, quota arrangement and vendor info record, and other stuff will be there from vendor. So like, what is the basic source of supply, so which vendor and which plant and where it need to be determined, all these things will be there. So this is different thing we'll try to see, how I have explained at the time of third party sales. So giving PR for painting, I'm just putting this text actually. Okay, painting. Okay, so let's keep this. So let's try to check here. If we come here, so let me try to do one thing. Okay, it's a bit slow. So in the meanwhile, I'll try to explain you what are all the other advantages. So auditing, legal, avoid duplicate orders. So let's try to enter 161. So if you want, you can give the text. Let me try to give the quantity, and this is a unit of measurement, what you would like to give it. And if you want, you can give material group. I'm just giving the plant. This is my storage location. Let's enter. So plant I have entered wrongly. This is storage location actually. Let it be. Let it get processed, and we'll check this one now. Okay, so plant is DRP1. Press enter. This is the plant. Okay, so you got plant, right? DRP1. So you got material group 1, automatically it is got determined. So you can you got the text. Okay, let's give the storage location. So purchase group, which talks about what I would say, the group of employers who would like to give this requirement actually. Okay, so now see, can delivery met. This is a warning. This is fine. So header note. Okay, we have added. So let's try to save this one. Sometimes in purchase requisition, release order process will be there. Okay, so when you created a sales order in third party sales and PR will be created, that PR you cannot able to use directly actually. Okay, sometimes ME57 you are trying, right? PR you would like to directly convert it to PO. So this is manual way, that is automatic way. Just taking this one, and you ME21 and only you try to create it manually. Okay, let's try to save this. You can see this is the material, text, quantity, unit of measurement, delivery date. Okay, let's try to go below. Automatically you can see this, all the details. Let's try to check the quantities. The quantity is what we have entered, and the requested date and release date. Okay, when it's supposed to be released, because there is no release configuration here. Let's come here, valuation. So valuation price means your cost here, total value in euros per carton, because 10 we entered 2500. Okay, goods receipt, invoice receipt. So let's try to check source of supply. I haven't created, that's why nothing will come here. So who is the contact person, MRP controller, and all the stuff will be there. So this is the delivery address. Okay, so when we are trying to procure certain things, we have to use this one. So let's try to save this. So system is a bit slow, no worries. So the requisition is created below, right? So this is 16011. Okay, let's try to check ME52N. So let's see this. This is change mode. Let's me, if you want, you can able to increase or decrease the quantity, or else whatever the changes you're doing. For namesake, I'm just doing this one. So let's try to save this one up. Let's save this. So in the similar way, you can able to see this one ME53N in display. Okay, let's try to check. So you can see all these are the set of courses available at my side. If you are so like SD, this is the course for 77 hours. So this is very important, how to write a functional specification. So if you're beginner, then better get into this course. I have explained one report, and I have explained what are all the sections available for this course. And if you are new to SAP S4 HANA, it is better to get into that. It's the right time, like another 5 years or 7 years. ECC might be, the relevance might be reduced, at least where working consultants, right, live up to the end user. Some clients will take more time, more than 10-15 years, or else they don't want it. If they don't require support, they won't convert into S4 HANA. See, ECC won't die. That is bread and butter. There are no much changes. But if you'd like to get introduce yourself, get into this one. And rebates, and I have couple of courses on pricing. This is the course. Okay, and this is the advanced course, and at the same time stock transfer orders, and as for HANA intercompany sales and consignment sales. If you want to learn, you can try all these courses. For end user also, I have few courses. All these links I'm giving below of this one. Okay, so let me try to go back. So I think you have learned something today. So let's try to see ME5A list display. Okay, probably I will try to add the relevant tables are important if you would like to work in real time. Sorry, ME5A. So this is the requisition. So like our purchase group is 001. With this I'll try to execute this one so we can get the display. So you can able to see this. So this is the one last we have created. Okay, so these are the old ones it is got created. This is how you can able to create the purchase requisition, okay, manually. Apart from anyhow, like ME57 you are converting. Okay, if third party sales process that we have already seen in our previous video. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a great day. More importantly, Jai Hind.